This tutorial shows you how to use Quicktime to quickly edit without having to open Final Cut. The video edits and recordings from Quicktime can then be used in Final Cut if you wish. The Quicktime app not only allows you to trim your videos, but also lets you record audio from your computer and external microphones, as well as videos from your computer screen or from your webcam. In the description below are timestamps. These will allow you to return to this video as a reference. Please like, subscribe and press the bell. So let's have a look at Quicktime. You can create a new movie, which is in fact using your webcam on the computer. You can record audio on the computer. You can see the voice levels there. And on this little drop down, selecting your microphones. Once you press record, it's now going to record my voice because I'm using Quicktime to record this session. Then when I stop that recording, I can play it back. It's now going to record my voice because I'm using Quicktime to record this session. And you can save that to play it back in Final Cut. You can do a new screen recording, and this will give you the option to capture the entire screen or just a window, currently the open window, or it will select a portion of the screen so that you can record that. And then you can open a file if you wish, and that will play any Quicktime capable video. Let's open this wedding file here. It will play that file.
Ever may come.
If you wish, you can show the inspector here and it will tell you what type of file that is, what the resolution is, etc., and the data size and the bitrate. Also with this, you can go to the edit menu and select trim. And now what trim will let you do is to trim just to a portion. So let's just say we want to do the vowels only, and we can trim that. Then we can save it. Once it's saved, then within Final Cut, after we open a new project, we can go to the Finder and drag the clip in there.
Got some important documents to sign. Okay, it's now my pleasure to present the bride and groom with their official marriage certificate.